Hello! I will show you how to make a felt doll with movable panties. This tutorial is aimed at people who don't like to sew. We will use special glue and tape. Thanks to the ready-made patterns, this project is very simple and pleasant. Let's start it. We will need felts in 5 colors, glue. If you want the elements to be extremely firmly attached, you can also use hot glue. Velcro tape, this is a very nice double-sided tape that we will need. Vanishing markers and simple black pen. Prepare patterns and cut them out. I want my doll to be stiff, so I will also use interfacing with glue. I will place body pattern on interfacing and outline with vanishing marker. And now we have to cut it out. Now place this pattern with shimmering glue side down on this creamy felt and iron until both layers are connected. Cut off excess interfacing along the edge of the felt. If you think your felt is stiff enough, you don't have to use interfacing. Just place pattern on creamy felt, outline, and cut it out. Put these patterns on right felts, outline, and cut them out. Attach bangs to the head using glue. Take this paper pattern and make holes in the places of dots. I use hole punch, but you can also use simple needle. Place this paper pattern on body and draw dots in the places of holes. In the places of dots, apply glue and attach eyes. And now you can make twinkles in the eyes using white acrylic marker. Just draw them here. Or you can also embroider them using white muslin. I showed how to do it in another video. The link to it just appeared at the top of the screen. Using a black pen, you can add eyelashes in these places. And now apply glue in these places and attach nose and mouth. Apply glue to the back of the head and attach it to the hair. Put this paper pattern on Velcro tape, outline with vanishing marker and cut it out. Attach panties in this place and felt doll is ready. If you would like to make a dollhouse, click on this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye!